Hey everyone! One of my favorite things to do when my kids were little was to go on a field trip. A day out of the classroom, paper bag, lunch in tow. While many of us are looking for ways to explore the world outside our homes for our kids' benefit and maybe perhaps our own sanity, we can still open our minds to the natural, artistic, and cultural opportunities all around us. With new virtual field trips available online, kids can get up close and personal with artifacts or explore places they'd never be able to go otherwise. For example, you could visit the inside of a volcano or a glacier crevasse with a national park ranger. Or you could get a behind-the-scenes look at things closer to home, such as fire engines, bowling alleys, or even a dairy farm. You can check out those video links in this week's Highlights at Home. Whether in person or virtual, field trips offer firsthand learning experiences and a level of understanding about how things work in our daily lives. Field trips provide realistic details that enhance children's learning and play and encourage social emotional learning. Who knows? You could be sparking an interest in something that your child may want to explore through books and reading. Your child might even enjoy drawing a picture of what it might be like to visit some exotic place, maybe even Mars. Be sure to check out all of the kid-friendly Highlights at Home digital collection. We'd love to hear from you and how you're doing. Drop a comment below, please, and always remember that you've got this, and have fun exploring the world around you with your kids.
Hey parents, find more great videos on Highlights for Grown-ups, the channel that helps you help your kids be their best selves.